Edu Gana had money for a corner small ship, I no all say pray, niti, as an appointment no yen revoke. Dr. Randy Abbey, or your Cocobod CEO. Nebusia, at this moment, no, Cocobod CEO, together with executive and senior staffers, almost take a decision be, I'm a captain Kojo Smart, any Listowell, upper blàst no. Now, in fact, decision of Matic got me means I for like a dam. Now, in this video, make sure you I'm what you see. No, actually, I'm a comment section. I Penyah Brock Media. Make sure I say any demo. Obe like video, not that my subscribe button, somebody can keep notification connect with us. Up to somebody to the wide and mammy. Comment section. So basoa. Not your first any be asher. So in my day were quite trend. Ghana had money enough for Cocobod and send some any cocoa farmers. Amania farmers and them out to the point say ya tea market to yaso. Your cocoa bag on beton ya teso by 1,000 cities plus. Ama since November, crowd and woman cocoa, almost a young musika. Emma is a day. O unique esie pa ana abetu kuku akuafo no na ebe na manfo ka se adentina ne se buso dollar ba form na nema aye basa ene adentina Randy Abbey oda siji na bush market to in full and allegedly na manfo bi kire se oji 80,000 e bi kire se oji 90,000 amount no enya fake but sika ni modu the imitate nyina aye 80,000 ni kire bi se oji 85 e bi se oji 82 bi se oji 80 bi se oji 90,000 just say allegedly se nyina na start with 80 echo sika ni modu. It's not gonna find the pressure ever. Ese any omunti empanimfo nyina anti o market to as we say mo believe say dollar aba form na say ya cocoa price at the world market there any akuafo na yentimi nkoye nkuru to dwuma na yemfa mamu ni tena mo so monti market to aso la we say eno a any was akrata bi apie media no so e go say if Ghana Cocobod asoye dated 16th February 2026 market krata 10 all media houses Cocobod management and senior staff pay cuts. There's a market you so. Now say the executive management and the senior staff of Cocobod have effective today, Monday, February 16th, 2026, reduced their salaries for the remainder of the 2025-26 crop year in recognition of the current liquidity challenges in the cocoa industry. The executive management has taken a 20% cut. That's a handichemu. The executive, Cocobod CEO Nankasa and the chairman and then the board of directors, just the board of directors, the executive, abe 20% salary cut. And after while the senior staff have taken a 10% reduction in their respective salaries. This decision and other cost cutting measures in procurement and a staff rationalization exercise are aimed at reducing the overall expenditure of Cocobod and align cost with revenue. As a cartoon, the chief executive himself, Randy Abbey, or no, and the cartoon was Ochirimu said, free enra Monday, never in idea. Cocobod for Obi in penny for the two market you as a senior staff, you are tested by 10%, the executive you are tested by 20%. Now, me haircut ended up there be idea way me in a way say ABS Ghana had no more pain. Obeka yadi mahama tena kunya so his excellency. Ana obeka kire Ghana for ne say Ghana for bo minimum money amunemu mabeji mo said the Moses abeji Israel for free Misrim Pharaoh nsem no mabeji afraku Pharaoh nsem etimin bra mabra na mane amunemu etimin pese my point is omba kaka bensem ebe enjoy better life abra momo bre ana mahama beka kire ye say every na na point is obi bia before adwuma ministers presidential staffers MMDs obi obemo adwuma. There are some kind of allowances when you dema wo mu ba ko ni full allowances say sika no mahama beka say wo twam I say or can same way 25th July 2025 am I by news room and by that day no na Ghana for nyina bomb mahama ba so mahama is the hope a good for the wicked where I say I just sat back and I just look at Mahama and I sigh. Yeah. Say, obetimi aya. Yeah. There was ya. Ghana for Mahama Baswewi. From there, Obi anko enhwemu. Ya ante because for sure, and you be asem. And penfa see entua moment in Bosumesuma. Yango check see etua na see entua. Emwa na kwawura 2026 mu. There was a free 2025 about 2026 and same everybody media no say presidential staff for no staffers do was saying na mahama for more because o market you an eliki ba me hu I can tell you because presidential staffers they rock shoulders with ministers, not deputy presidential staffers. I rock shoulders with deputy ministers. It is senior staffers. I rock shoulders with cabinet ministers. I say o market you mujiano more or less as they are also ministers and cabinet ministers in terms of salary. Now the number of people Mahama Amom appointment as presidential staffers. Honorable fellows of say obey defend. Now the defense no and on kasa kwete Mahama to. Ochiremu say e ba ketuan sense do wan to aketuan din there, but ochiremu say ye fa wadwuma as presidential staffer. There are so many benefits. And Cocobod fuel allowance.
So every minister of state, indeed, if I show you my appointment letter, you will see that there are things that you are entitled to enable you to do your work. One of them is a 4-wheel drive, a Land Cruiser. You are also entitled to a saloon car. These are duty post vehicles. They are not vehicles that are gifted to you. You use them as and when. But often it is the case that a new one is procured because invariably by the time that a new government comes, what exists may not be roadworthy or may not have the capacity to perform at the high level that you expect. So often a new one will be procured. You are also entitled to accommodation. And that means that existing government bungalows would have to be refurbished for you to move in. If you are not given a bungalow, then you are given 20% of your basic salary as rent allowance every month. And it is at market rates. In addition to that, if you check my appointment letter, you see that you are entitled to fuel. A certain amount of fuel every week. And then there's a salary that you take, which these days is consolidated to include other perks and emoluments. And then in the days that ex gratia held sway, you will be paid ex gratia, which is 4 months out of every year that you serve in office.
Fuel allowance corona July, His Excellency announced say well from that day on chairman appointees be no. December 2025. Ne ye gusu tua fuel allowance ema Mahama appointees enyam na meka honorable fellows ofusukwachi na numutom eti ngwofo so mkasa hwesora obusua eya hwefom omunka nokre omunsem aba media nso biare eye ensem a ebeba na Ghana fo be praise wo mu asa. From there they are just going to do what they are doing. Omumba media nso be ka foforo na Ghana fo ya bedo wo mu na omu abagie animonyam e wo ye ni but kukuwa mu na omu ye do mu pe sa ade we aye say salary cut we until say boss member so ne betuo mu ka na ye dey receipt e be kire Ghana fo nyam ye hunu a confirm the amount ade we nya no koreda da busia let you know about one thing no ana captain Kojo Smart any Listowell just say dey be Randy Abbey wonye serious Mahama ensa kinadwan ontimi enye
na masesa mwate market ya no so na de ye pesa mo ye ma ye ne say machense na mun deserve se mo beje eti de mwate ne dadani na no montua ya de ma ye minim ni po tu sa afo no. I don't know who advised you guys monte market ya so nyansa bia nim when I catch up say Cocobod nyeska na mudie we know Debbie won e ba fia so mpa bia na national service aya he no mba mu dikan bo Cocobod Ghana Gas Straight MPA to boss ada mo ga say Ghana for yenim say Cocobod sika na mudie yen we know mama bia dada obi it is Ghana ni bia ba kwa kopa adwuma Cocobod GMPC Ghana Gas Bust Slate MPA EPA yenim when I catch us we don't know it is what Cocobod na would disika and yes Ghana for no we don't know yenim say ho sika na mudie Cocobod interest is $2. You think we don't know? We know. Eti Cocobod fo nyina mpani fo amate market ya so no yeda mase nyame kira mo na mum sa ban to wakati mu ndan ko be back date no we tu akire ho de ama ti sa mate market ya so ne so de a mun ko mochi Mafia, the truth of the matter is that Randy Abbey you want to own me Cocobod so channel. I am a day, some cancer with done and pesamic cabana ding, a semica, own to me, Eduano. Eduano Randy on to me. Obey me, I be before better. Be me to a Metuasa, and also acquire Captain Smart Energy Minister. Eh? Aha. I do be 2 minutes. Eco energy expert in the hall. Energy Commission Executive Secretary bra EPA we bra na me to me boas na bosome ba akokọ bosome mienu me tisi bukum sua de asametumi aye Cocobod ya dim class for dey ma tell Newman so I gan dangbe whichever or the mate Cocobod Professor Mills time then they see here time near tab no person for chief of staff fan catch 73 ho bra me boa and I know you say, and can afford to say, yeah. It is a fa obi obeye minister for fisheries and aquaculture. As a senka, ye pen crani, ye pa ibeni, ye pen fantini, ye pen zimani, ni yadema won, ne mamine ne papa kopoda. E told him said ye puno ye yono. One side the Copoco Agric Ministry, what a casa. Or didn't cross some yen clear. Sometimes maybe a woofy, a bet how you can achieve something. By Atanahosa. The truth of the matter is that Mafia, Randy, owned me a Juman. Me or you me penase me dono. But I think that ye yene be ye. President in year reshuffle. On fanning quarter baby fufro. Because cocoa for no. Yemfa konya roba shahun kosi cocoa farm. And then in Kokasa. Cocoa farmers are minimum across the country. I mean, no makase in ano. One person betting it. It is a buy way and yet careful. Cocoa farmers no 4 million. Ghana have 1 or 2 abapama buying cop. If you are cocoa farmers. 1 or 2 abapama buying for soba. Part of power, cocoa farmers. They almost 4 billion. Ubia wo yere, ubia wo ma. Cocoa farmers they so one pair Randy Abbey. Na wo mutrim, uni kuani bon komo. No catch now say, e wo mutrim na. Ukotu na fo mo betwitwa wo sekan. Me na mka kire wo. Wo mo say e wo mutrim. Ade no e wo yetrim. Na cocoa farmer catch us say e woni tirima we are buying ye careful asamna no adwo awie dia eye yempe baby foforo emfama no nkose so obekọ so atna wo so dia Randy ye ohun kurase ni enye le na ye de lin spray eguso just learn on the job. You can learn on the job because you're a PhD holder. Nothing is bigger than you. Learn on the job. Kotna from honey farm and ntna bordena yehwie ahabayere guso no so. Tebo abom no mu bi dibi. Hey, before the ne ho bon ba wo pakranti ayengwan. Before no ne ho bon hanta na okọ wuram kokum aboa ne ba ye no de ne ho bon ba wo pakranti ayengwan. Yo, body am tra o me de meka ne ntama kire wo wantia eduru time ade na no aye den a wo frɛ me a me mo wo frɛ me a me mo koko fa ba hwɛ there kopoku betra ha ye ni na no ho omo ye relaxed omo tie kopoku ye no koko farmers ni na ye relaxed. And run was a cocoa hine from Session Cleveland from me. Now, Captain.
When your friend be reactive. Now, proactiveness, any reactiveness. And your mom, you know, that we say we have only 2 categories of human beings. Anyway, we are saying. But I could hear. Or ye be a Odikan Jim, Plania be and San Wada the Cronedy. ana ba ko de okoye wi a na oba be busa se ade na me ye no modwe ho san then na wano ni ma wa ya wi no afa no oba be busa ho question na waba be fa ho adwen sa di o twatwo no bi gidi se adwene ne wo fom proactiveness lecture will say any question ni pada sani wotena wa ma asamu ba ansa na wanya ne puma sibre all these signs of bioma ekosonne were written largely on the walls because se wunya bumper harvest na wunya cost that is so high ewo baby ayeton nyoma bebre a ewo se wo say because of price hike no ebema ni pa efupu into that sector. For example, cocoa price now it may rise equal to $10,000 to $11,000-$12,000. No, I was saying who say ebema ni pa trupu into the sector say almost kwa koye cocoa fu. And I say the ni cocoa fu krampo no say bi enso no obebo ho ban thinking say afi we no obenya sika kesi enti no ebema bampa harvest aba. Enti edi na wasa we ye Koko ya kan wa semi ya ene akuafo aso aban minimum. Eni kwa sen akuafo aso aban minimum. E wo sen kenne ye gina koko so ese bottom ma abaso. E ma na ni munyama ye kese wo wiase ma ma nyina mu se ono ni mampani a oba be ye mampani a wa ma koko fo atimi atede wa bra o mo anya even adikitikiti bi franfan kanfa na memu ho. Na so ene esane hyehyɛ pɔne ne nneɔma pɔne a owura Randy Abbey wayɛ ama koko okuafo ɛne ɔmo adwene yɛ ɔmo sɛ aban wei ɛne ɔmo ani ne yie no ama yaba abɛgyina baabi a sɛbi ɛnyɛ ɛne sɛn Randy ɛba ayɛ no a obehu problems ne nyinaa ama bobɔ bodin bebree wɔ hɔ a mentumi nka jute ho nsɛnsɛm yɛfrɛ ne sɛn sika abanda da na die ni ọmọdéọmọ syndicated loan ọmọ afanye adwuma ne bibi bebree ẹdọọso ọba ya wantimi ma sabi no kredi anya adwuma no busa sɛ ɛhefo na ɔne ɔmo yɛ adwuma sisi you come and condemn them in public meanwhile you are working with them.
For some of the points, one may agree with you, but to a far extent, Obinso Beka say be a wakope bibi or and around the MF, I mean, unnecessity some kind of reactions what they manner in the public space.
And that should be the only reason why I was here sacking up. Because I'm saying,
Eddie over.
Some me, now, me compare Jumano. I saw a problem, Joe. And you say, me compare Juma, wabra me who problem, Pia, I know myself, will be working in compare Juma, and Pia, me call any yamame.
Okay.
Sebi Manuri, Hunchi Yamame, Debbie. I qualify as a Ghanaian, first of all. Number two, I don't think I will be a woman what I just said, what did dream? What did dream? Yeah, woman, who the rule. What's our man, a Juma contractor? Me, mother, apply. Qualify, yes, I mean qualify. Maybe Pia, Sebi, and me call and call you. And Quafona, contract, they found the need to get me involved because Jadi Kano Munisika, I would have to two Amunina. Never send me this Kaba. Yet also be only a cocoa, yet Tomuko, 12. That was by the Dana Pencil. Ah, yeah. Enti ba bi krona e cha kokko ni tubu ye no ana omo say mi ni o mani na ban fa contract ne ma omo no mo aka tan ko bia o kokko no na ban tiaka eti pato we me boni am me ye ne say first of all don't I deserve to get a contract from Cocobod
and what it means and it's
why did you give that job to that same company? And then to him now would you and then I get as a project, yeah, won't you in Apocunya and then to know this company.
Yes, of my us out my clarity no a year. And the issues are identify of a year cocoa farmers ye try one cocoa a good year. na nkese se Cocobod no eboa wo mo na yese dua ne biem ede ma wo mo no. The contractor ya awarded them a company no. The company failed to honor the contract, the side of obligation. Yet under a new regime, under this current administration, some company na in time past, the contract man na or no na famudi and 1 year no. Or no one the asa kofa no award the contract for asadia mano under this current regime.
I'm saying one not in the Unim de papa. It is a dream, and the kid has a send for any can and I do Randy Abbey. And yet then a company who was supposed to say, or no one to me and a Juma. Was I the company? No, I could know someone a Juma, so was I know from Hama by me. Say, a dream. I don't think I'm seeing any. Now, Muma Coco 3.9 billion. Now, Coco Famano, the Coco Academy was it a ton of price higher. What was our catcher? They said everyone just don't just yet. And for so now we are back on the way.
Okay.
Okay. This is kind of procurement. I want to.
And only a procurement being a Cocobod no aye under the current management.
Maybe it is chemicals or cotton 6 billion. Chemical no as well as one is saying.
Yes, but I know your chemicals are yet the America for na.
What was a queen so one in yet? Oh, you cannot hide behind procurement and do chop. 95.1. Cocobod and a GFE. Cocobod and a GFE.
Very well. So now
the point I'm making is Randy, he is a problem and not the solution. See, the latest one is what's your salary cut? Naminia. Arrogance.
Yes, I don't know so na me bad because and Jonas statement no yeah. I presume say consultation is also omo ye nyina and omo timi aye before answer na omo arrive at this particular decision.
Me pa cho unim na poku de me manowa me pekasa. For any staff of Cocobod, any staff say were they aware of this? Another dream deny complaints upon complaints. As if some crab amakoji Cocobod ejuma. Complaints upon complaints. And it's very worrying. Especially when you know say ejuma sebi previasa. Randy yeno. Enye ejuma bia e was say yedin. E ya hobrasi ejuma. E ye sebi enkitahudie. Because when you play BA, you are as usual, over to Yaka, so when you be apart from you, I assume. Will be anyone will be treated as a workers and meaning BA, or we are seeing Jimmy, I may have Musovia. When you will start for a Juma, staff for no, Omonina, ya, Omonina, or Juma. Sebi Previasa. What does I take a decision? 95.1. Una ya bosu. Una upuka se mpuna yepu. Na, edi na nke afese. Nipa wono uba ya uma na ketua ntu muda. Untu na ketua muda. Onya afaso wo wonsa muda. Na kenya kopon wo chiche, na nka aduma ye ne nsamba. Na ko teta, na ke bi so ne maso, na da bia ne meko omani. Uba ya untu aketua muda. Wodie, obiara musa wa ye fine, kama. Na the otifo one na wo ye adwuma no wontu na katua mu da na ba ni say na wontu na katua mu da na wo pese na katua me ko a wodi a da bia o mi se fa kakra ka ne ho a wo fa bi nka ho no wo pese wo kwoti akatua ne so a wo mo na mane ka ne na de kotu bedwam.
Okay.
All the staff of Cocobod saw the communique in public. They didn't see it before it came to public. Nasani ya manage company.
Chira wadwe mami ewo comment section. Hi Penyah Media.